So this is a short video just introducing you to Microsoft Teams. So the class, the Physics 1800 Energy, You and the Environment, is a hybrid class, which means we have face-to-face meeting once a week, and we have one meeting a week that will be online. And the face-to-face will be live streamed through Microsoft Teams, which means if you cannot make it to class, you can log onto Teams and participate in class that way. You can also watch the class later on if you want to. The online component will be through Microsoft Teams. So we need to know how we can access and use Teams through the class. The first thing to do is to go to your Canvas website, a course website. So I am here in this window. Here's Physics 1800 on Canvas. And you will see a Microsoft Teams link to your left. Just click on that link. It should bring up Microsoft Teams. Hang tight. See how long time it'll take. Okay, so it will ask you whether you want to join Microsoft Teams through a Windows app or through a web app. Do not use the web app. So you have to use a Windows app. And the Windows app, if you don't have it installed, you can download it and install it on your laptop, on your tablet, or on your phone. But do not use the web app. And the reason is that the web app does not have all the functionality that the actual Windows app have. So do not use the web app. So I already have it installed, so I'm just going to open Microsoft Teams. And what it should do is should take you straight into the Microsoft Teams channel for this class. It may take a little bit. Here we go. Okay, so now we are in Microsoft Teams. We are in the channel that's Physics 1800. That is our channel for this class. So when we get in here, when we have the meeting times, I will go up and I will click Meet, and I will start the meeting that we all join into. We will do a recording. It will be saved. That video recording will be saved here in the general window. You can see I've played around with it a little bit. I tested it last week. So there are a couple of videos here that I have deleted so they're no longer accessible. You can, in the general here, you can start a conversation. You can ask questions, for example, and so forth. Just keep in mind when you do it here, it's visible to everybody in the class. So don't ask any questions about your grades or anything like that you're not willing to share with anybody else in the class. Another tab is the Files tab. Up here, it'll take you to course material. Right now, if you click on the class material, there's the syllabus. I will try my best to have all the course material in here as well. It will be on Canvas. That is the primary place for the course material. But any material we may be using within Microsoft Teams will be here as well. So for example, if we have a PowerPoint presentation, that PowerPoint presentation file will be accessible in Teams. All right, what else? I think that's it for now. There are more functionality features of Microsoft Teams, but I think we can explore that as we go along. For example, you can implement OneNote where you can keep your own personal notes for the class, personal to the extent that I can see them as well, but other students cannot see it. And we can enable those features. So for now, we'll leave it as, and then we'll just explore Microsoft Teams as we go along in the class.